Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make olio peperoncino. Ali olio peperoncino. It's Italian. So I'm going today spaghettini. So I love al dente. So this package said 7 minutes, boiling 7 minutes for al dente. Also, I'm just using salt, just a 2 gram salt, 2 gram, and this one is a mitzvah, just decoration. I usually parsley, but I love mitzvah because always in my kitchen, so comfortable to me. Okay, so I am using 2 garlic today and 1 chili pepper. So you better seeds. So if you like hot taste, so you better use everything. But I'm just using shell. And one of garlic chop, kind of like slice. And another way to chop. So I had a reason of 2 different way of cutting style. So this one is after, a little bit like fried, good decoration on top on spaghetti. So okay, let's start cooking in hot boiling water. So it takes about 7 minutes. So you just set a garlic and hot chili pepper and olive oil like this, and turn on the switch. I'm just waiting for the timing of the good flavor coming from garlic and hot chili pepper. Don't burn in too much, be careful. So this time you have to get the boiling water. And a little bit salt, 2 grams. That's enough. Okay, almost done. So this part is very important. Warming up for the serving dish. And a little bit mitzvah on top. And it's like this. Okay, done. Wow, looks so yummy. Good flavor from garlic and hot pepper. Smells so good. Let's try to eat. Aglio olio peperoncino. So delicious. So you better careful add salt too much, and hot chili pepper. If you use chopped, it's more hot flavor come from this part. So you better find your way. So how many, like that salt and hot chili pepper is best condition to you. So you better practice to practice. I'm just show you easy way today. So in this kind of pasta has many different kind making style. So well, anyway, I'm gonna finish to eat. Thank you for watching my channel and see you again in my kitchen. Thank you very much. Bon appetit. Bye.